On this episode of Facility Files, we're gonna break down our experience growing photoperiod and autoflowers inside a tent. Let's take a look inside the state licensed commercial facility. Man, we're gonna track the lifestyle and the phenotypic expressions of autoflower specimens for the purpose of research and professional documentation. Yep, you're tuned in to Facility Files with your host, JP. Now, this is part one of a two-part series. Part one is going to cover autoflower genetics, and part two dives into photoperiods. Now, pay attention and read between the lines on this one. In the facility's experience, autoflower varieties is one of the most efficient choices for our indoor tent environment. When we work with autoflowers, a few key things happen right out the gate. First off, we learn the true mechanics of plant growth. In our experience, autoflowers present a unique challenge because they act like a mirror. If our environment or nutrients is off, they show us immediately. They don't forgive mistakes easily, like photoperiods. And this forces us to dial in our skills and become more precise. The biggest practical advantage we find when running autos in a tent comes down to the light management. Light leaks are a massive headache with standard tents because zippers wear out and the cheaper fabric degrades over time, letting in outside light, which autoflowers do not care about. Light leaks are a non-issue for autoflowers. Whenever light leaks in during early development or full maturity, it doesn't trigger stress. And it also doesn't disrupt the plant cycle. So the most frustrating variable in growing with a tent is completely eliminated when choosing autoflowers. Also with autoflowers, we are not locked into a strict lighting regimen. In fact, we can run 12-12 from start to finish. Now that translates directly to lower operational costs, keeping our overhead down while still pulling a serious harvest. And that does not equate to all autoflower genetics. Not the old players, but some of the new ones. Let's take a look in the facility at our upcoming autoflower projects. Here we have a newly sprouted angiosperm. These genetics, Watermelon Surprise, was gifted from a club member and has tons of promise. So our job at the facility is to maximize its potential, cross it with elite genetics, and cultivate something extremely next level. Also in our facility, we have dedicated space for refining genetics. This is Snowfall number 7 from Smoking Monkey Genetics. And Snowfall number 7 is meticulously being hunted to breed out mutative genetics. These autoflowers grow quite well once they get going, but we want to eliminate the once they get going part, so there's explosive vigor as soon as germination is complete. Now let's get back into why autoflowers are better for the tents in the facility. We will update you on those genetics in the coming videos. If you're impatient, you know what to do. Now, another crucial factor for us comes down to plant health and biosecurity. Autoflowers are grown strictly from seed, which means we're not introducing outside contaminants, pests, or pathogens into our clean environment. Bringing in Photoperiod clones always carry the risk of transferring someone else's facility issues directly into our space. We previously had to shut down the entire facility because we received clones from Boomfire Genetics that were infected with HLVD, and that mandated an entire facility reset. By running autoflowers from seed, we completely bypass that risk and maintain a clean, controlled setting in this facility. When running autoflowering genetics, we can run a complete life cycle from seed to fully developed angiosperms in a short 8 to 10 week window. Since autoflowers work on an internal genetic clock, they exhibit incredible vigor, rapid building, and structure in a short amount of time, especially with the right genetics and environmental parameters. So this is precisely why we choose autoflowers for our tents. Reduced overall power demands, zero concern for light leaks and light bleed, significant energy saving, and a short 8 to 10 week growth cycle. These points make it a no-brainer. Genetics makes all the difference. This is why Autoflower genetics are highly sought after in other facilities. If you take a look here, you see our restock. These genetics are being restocked and they're full of seeds. These were grown strictly to increase the inventory and maintain a stock of elite genetics. Also in the facility, we are currently transitioning Photoperiods over to Autoflower. And in the majority of these cases, our Ruderalis genetics are improving the Photoperiods to the point where the autos outperform the photos. So stay tuned in to Facility Files with Autoflower genetics. This video is about our experience with autoflowers and Photoperiods. So for you to get the other side of the coin, you have to click this video here, which explains entirely in detail about our experience with Photoperiod. It's another channel too, so don't forget to subscribe. Peace.